I've been asked this question time and time again. And most people probably expect that I'd say it's SATs or it's the lullaby technique or some promising new technique that nobody knows about. Sure, if you ask me what's my favorite or my preferred technique, I'd say it's SATs. Because I was always naturally visual. Hence it's easier for me. But sometimes, when I do have strong opposing feelings about certain things, I honestly find it difficult to do SATs. And that's when I just use a more general approach where I just assume a general feeling of being blessed without being specific. So, what am I saying here? The truth is, there's no one-size-that-fits-all method or approach. There is no best technique to manifest everything. This is something I learned recently through my experiences. A approach I used for one desire didn't work for another. So, I had to approach it differently. So, the fact is the best technique is always the one that you have used so far in manifesting your life till now. You did it effortlessly without even knowing the law. All you've to do is think about all the experiences you've had and try to connect the dots. Observe how you naturally think about certain things. That will give you an answer. Some of us are visual, some are not, some are auditory, some are just good at assuming feelings directly. Think about it. There are about 7 billion people on the planet, each manifesting their life every second either consciously or unconsciously. Even if you assume most of them are manifesting with similar approaches, it still means there are at least 1 million different approaches to manifesting. So, the message is simple. No matter which book, blog you read, which author, person you follow, take it with a grain of salt. Evaluate it on your own. Don't take it for being the absolute truth or think that it's the only way. Test it if needed. To conclude, I or anyone else can only share our own insights from our own experiences. In the end, it's all just opinions and nothing more. Even Neville's teachings, techniques are just his interpretations of the law. Yes, he was an expert, and I prefer his interpretations, teachings over anyone else's. But not all his techniques, approaches might resonate with everyone. You may say Neville mostly promoted SATs, so isn't it the best technique, approach? No, because you have to understand that he studied theater and was an actor, dancer before becoming a metaphysical teacher. Hence, was visually strong, and that's why he preferred SATs over other techniques. Because that's his natural way of thinking. Please don't misinterpret this. I love Neville and his teachings. What I'm saying is simple. In the end, all truths are but half-truths. It all boils down to your beliefs about your desires. So, each desire might require a different approach depending on the beliefs you currently hold. Some may require detachment. Some may require letting go or any other approach that's being widely shared. So, you have to test what works best for you and for the particular desire you hold. Every man automatically expresses that which he is conscious of being. Each technique, approach can only give you a direction, a foundation. But like I said before, you'll have to figure out the rest for yourself. Ultimately, you'll only manifest that which you're conscious of being. Subscribe if you liked this video.